ones. Today we are going to work on problem solving division with remainders. So we're actually working right out of our workbook. This is page 131. So the first one says answer the questions, and let's take a look. It says Sophia is selling bags of cookies at a bake sale. She bakes 147 cookies. She puts 4 cookies into each bag. So the first question says, what is 147 divided by 4? That's going to be what we find out first, okay? So the next one says, how many bags of 4 cookies does Sophia have? How many cookies are left over? And we are going to explain using our words how you use the quotient of 147 divided by 4 to answer part B and part C. So let's start off just going ahead and finding our quotient. Let's go ahead and solve this. So on my whiteboard, I'm going to set it up doing the algorithm here. We know there's other strategies we can use as well. Let's go ahead and practice the algorithm. So 147 divided by 4. Think about 4 times what equals 1? Well, 4 times 1 is 4. That's too much. So I could think about 0, putting a 0 here if I want to, and scooting over so I can see that next digit. So now I'm going to see, and I'm going to think about what factor I can multiply 4 by that will get me as close to 14 as possible without going over it, okay? So think about 4 times. I like to start with 5s and 2s. I always try to start with like friendly numbers, and then I can kind of go up or down from there. So I know 4 times 5 is 20. That's too much, okay? So I need to go down a little bit. 4 times 4 is 16. That's still too much. 4 times 3 is 12. Oh, so 4 times 3 is 12. That's as close as I can get without going over that 14. So the next step, we said 4 times 3 is 12. I'm going to put that 12 right here and subtract. Okay? 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down that 7. Now I'm looking at 4 times what equals 27, or will get me as close to 27 as possible. Well, I know 4 times 5 is 20. Let's keep going up. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. That would be too much. So 6 is as close as I can get to 27 without going over it. 4 times 6 is 24. I'm going to subtract 7 minus 4, and I get 3. Notice I don't have any more digits in this number over here, so I'm all done. This 3 becomes my remainder, so I'm going to put an R right there, okay? So that means 147 divided by 4 equals 36 with a remainder of 3. And we found this answer by using the algorithm for division. Now we could check this. We could take this number 36, multiply it by this number 4, and we should get 147 after we add in our 3. So think about this remainder is like a plus sign, okay? So 36 times 4 plus 3 should equal 147. So let's go back to our problem, and it says, how many bags of 4 cookies does Sophia have? So she's taking 147 cookies, dividing it into bags, okay? So how many bags does she have? Well, she has 36 bags, okay? That's how many she has. How many cookies are left over? 3. We have 3 remaining, 3 left over. The next one says, explain how you use the quotient of 147 divided by 4 to answer part B and part C. Well, we used it because that's what this story problem was asking us to do, okay? We were finding the quotient, we were dividing. So here, we just used the standard algorithm to find out that she does indeed have 36 bags of cookies with 3 left over, okay? So that could be your explanation right here. Go ahead, see if you can use the algorithm for this next one to come up with your next answer. A group of 52 people are touring a museum. There is a maximum of 8 people in each tour group. So what is 52 divided by 8? You're going to go ahead, solve that using the algorithm, and then find your answers. How many tour groups are needed for the 52 people? And explain how you used the quotient of 52 divided by 8 to answer part B. Remember, quotient is your answer to your division problem. All right, friends, hope that helps a little bit. Thanks for watching this quick video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.